Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to autofill serial number in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So for autofill serial number, so firstly select the starting number and then write here next number. So after that select these cells and then place the cursor on the bottom right side of the lower cells, and then you can see the options of plus, and then press the left side of mouse and drag to the lower end according to your needs. So you can see all is done. So in this way you can autofill serial number. So if you want to start on the other number, so write here any number on which you want to start. So after that write the next number. So again select these cells and place the cursor on the bottom right side of the lower cells, and you can see plus options and then drag to the lower end. You can see autofill serial number is done. So similarly, if you will write 2 and then next 4, so then you will select these cells and then place the cursor on the bottom right side of cells. So you can see first number is 2 and next number is 4, and the again next number will be 6. So when I place the cursor on the bottom right side of lower cells, then drag to the lower end, you can see autofill serial number is done in this way. So it depends upon 2 first number. So in this way you can autofill serial number in Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.